My name is Pamela Deneuf, and I've dedicated the past 25 years to help lawyers to increase their productivity, reduce their stress, manage their mental health, and reduce anxiety, and master the art of making more money. The first thing we have to do is we have to recognize how anxiety is really robbing you of your joy and productivity in your law practice. We have to recognize that anxiety and stress are like thieves who steal your joy, your happiness, your productivity, and really stops you from making the kind of money that you deserve to be making. So we want to really focus in and zero in on what anxiety is. So here are some ways you want to recognize if you are being robbed by the thief, anxiety. So the first thing is that you're going to have physical symptoms. A physical symptom could be you could have a migraine headache, you can have chest pains, you can have digestion problems, you can have your neck is tense, or you can have neck aches or back aches, or you can have any kind of symptoms that make your resistance go down so that you're really susceptible always to catching colds or the flu or anything that comes by. That is a big sign that anxiety is taking over your health and physical well-being. The second thing is many times lawyers will stay at work even though they're suffering from these physical symptoms, but the other times you have to take off because it gets so severe and you miss time off work. So you want to be aware of this. So the first thing you're going to realize is you're going to feel dread going into the office. You're going to hate to wake up. You have no motivation. When you get to the office, you start doubting yourself. You don't feel confident. You start second guessing yourself. You start taking longer than you need to take on your different tasks that you're trying to do. You're easily distracted. You can't focus. And you're just overall just like pushing a rock, a 1,000-pound rock up a hill, and you can't seem to get it up there. When you're anxious, you find yourself like second guessing your speech. You're like unable to think clearly because you're not able to focus. You might find yourself doubting yourself. You might find yourself feeling unable to communicate, unable to think clearly because the anxiety is taking up all of your energy. So you want to be careful how you speak. You want to be careful how you talk. You want to be careful that you're displaying a wimpy attitude. You don't feel confident. These are things that anxiety will rob you of when you're trying to communicate with others.